Wow, look at all these gadgets! They're so cool! I wish I could buy them all. I could use a new vacuum cleaner. Ooh, what's this?
Feed me! Feed me!
Wait, no. It can't be. I must be imagining things.
La 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 la!
I hate smelly socks.
Woohoo!
Okay, I definitely heard something that time.
Hey! Come on! Let's dance!
Ugh, stay back!
Oops.
It's okay. I've got it. Nom nom nom. Give me more!
I need to get out of here. What the? Leaving so soon? I'm a bargain. Ah! What is happening? What now?
Hey, you need to cool it.
This is so weird. Huh? Was I dreaming?
Nope! Let's party!
Oh yeah! Buy me! You know, you guys are fun, but I can't take you all home. Oh fine, you've convinced me.
Subscribe to this channel.
Time to add some bling to my hair. I love this gadget. My hair always looks amazing. And it's so easy to use. Wow, that's so pretty. I'll add a few more. I could do this all day. Me too! Ooh, your hair smells good. What shampoo do you use? I feel glamorous. This is amazing. You're gonna look great. Thanks. I couldn't do it without you.
That's the last one!
Thanks, buddy. Woohoo! I feel so pretty. We all need a little sparkle in our lives. Oh, hi, Dad.
Wow, look at you, honey. You're glowing. Come on, dinner's ready.
I have a better idea. I'm gonna give you a makeover.
Very funny.
Aw, please. It'll be fun.
Let's do this!
Are you scared?
No, I just don't want to.
Take that!
Ha! You never knew your old man could move like this.
This is fun! Stand still!
Whoa, that was close. Wait, did you get me?
Wow! You look awesome! We did it!
Claire, quit messing around! Snap out of it!
Sorry, I must have been daydreaming.
Look at me!
You look good. It's an improvement.
I look ridiculous.
Hey Naomi, can you help me with this? Is that a flamingo? This is my new friend. Wow, it's so cute. It's so soft and fluffy. Oh, I love it.
Yeah, I'll never get bored of this. That's it. That's the spot.
You're so lucky. We've gotta go. Bye. Bye, we'll catch up later. I'm getting hungry. It's time for some candy. It's my favorite. This tastes so good. Don't worry, I've not forgotten about you. Open wide. I hope you like it.
This is tasty. I want more.
Is that good? You can have some more. Aw, you have a good appetite.
It's so good. Uh-oh, I think I need to poo.
Don't do it on my desk. I don't want to clean up flamingo poop. Where's your toilet? Oh no, I left it at home. Wait, I'm late for school. Come on, we need to go. I can't believe I did that! I'm so sorry. Give me 1 minute. Excuse me, this is an emergency! What's her problem?
I can't hold it much longer! Hurry up, Claire! I need to find a toilet! There must be one around here! Gotta be quick! I could go behind a bush! Desperate times require desperate measures! Are you kidding me? There's no toilets? There's gonna be one large puddle here! What's over there? Finally! Ugh! It's locked! Come on! Let me in!
This game is so good!
I don't have time for this! What's taking so long? Please let me in! It's too late! Does anyone have a mop? This is so embarrassing. When you gotta go, you gotta go.
I'm back! I hope I'm not too late! Oh, right. Let's pretend this never happened. We'll deny all knowledge of this. Just act cool.
Subscribe to this channel.
This book is so interesting. Ooh, class is over!
See ya!
Now I can rock out! Oh yeah! Woohoo! Uh-oh! My AirPod!
So long, loser! I'm out of here.
What? Get back here!
Catch me. You'll never get me.
Don't make me run after you!
Sweet, sweet freedom.
No, don't go! Ugh, wait, where did it go? Hey! Not so fast!
Oh, what's this? Jump on.
You're so close! Get over here! Oh, I've almost got you!
Nah. I need to lose her.
Where did it go now? I'm sure I saw it a minute ago. Don't say I've lost it! Come on, I need it! Ugh, I guess it's gone.
I totally fooled her. That was a close one. I don't think she saw me.
Wait, was that?
Uh-oh. Time to go.
Nah, my mind must be playing tricks on me. I'm not giving up! Has anyone seen my AirPod? I miss it so much. Please help me.
Has anyone seen my odor? Hey, lady! Over here! I need to get her attention!
What the… Oh! An AirPod!
She's coming! I've never been so happy! That feels so nice.
At least I still have you.
Come on, we don't need that other guy. La 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 la.
This is so hard. Can't wait for this class to be over. At last, I'm finally done. Now I can go home. See you later. Huh? Ew, that's so gross. Look at it. It's huge. Huh? What did she say? Wait, is there something back there? I can't feel anything. Hold on. Is that a pimple? I better check this out. I can't see anything. I need to find a better angle. Nope. Still nothing. Ugh, this is so annoying. Maybe I could use my phone. Please don't. I mean it. I have a delicate stomach. Pimples make me throw up. This should do the trick. Can't we talk about this? I'll just take a few pictures. How's it looking back there? Pretty disgusting. Stop pointing that thing at me. Ugh, I'm not gonna forget this. This'll be my dreams tonight. That's it! I'm done! Goodbye, cruel world!
Oh, that hurt.
That wasn't the best idea. Is my phone okay? I hope it's not cracked. Phew, it's fine. Now let's see that pimple. No! What? Are you seeing this? Why would he do this? What is that? Oh, a message. What is he thinking? That is one huge pimple. That is a good cup of tea. Aw, Miles never forgets about his granny. Oh, I wish he would. Hey, back. This is so bad. What am I gonna do? My life is ruined.
Miles?
What is it?
I got your message.
Don't remind me.
It's not so bad. See?
Whoa! We're pimple buddies!
We sure are. We've got so much in common. Ooh, that's a juicy one.
Maybe things are looking up.
Come on, I have an idea. Oh yeah, that feels good.
That's a lot of gunk. You make me so happy.
Subscribe to this channel.
Work's finally over. Whoa! Good to see you, Julie. Hello, I guess. This sure is awkward. Mind if I put on some air? I'd love to help you out with that. That fan's too strong. Here you go. Thanks! No problem! Ooh, your seatbelt. It's illegal to drive without one. Safety first. Safety first. I got it. Ready? Yep. Now let's ride. Some tunes would be nice. Like mariachi music, Julie? Woohoo! Yeah! Rock out! Come on, louder! Louder! Yeah, get it bumpin'! This is awesome! Woohoo! Ah! What's that cat doing there? I almost hit it! Huh?
Moving or losing, Mr. Whiskers!
That's right. Keep it moving, pal. Hey! What's with the megaphone? Shh. Can I drive in peace now? There aren't any more cats, right? Hey, I see a parking spot. It's all mine, baby.
Wait! We're backing up, people!
Easy. Easy.
We're still backing up here. Almost there. You sure about this? Julie!
We're okay.
Okay, now bring on in. Slowly. Okay, that's enough. Stop!
Thanks for the help. How did I do? I thought I was so close to the edge. Guess I'll try it again.
My nails are so long right now. I love them. They make good tappy sounds. Especially on glass. Hello, phone. How are you today? Alright, better send this text message.
Ow! Stop! So pokey! Ugh! No, I hate this! Hey, what's going on with my phone? Something weird is happening. My phone turned into a person. Hi. I'm Julie. So, I guess you're a person now?
Yep. Still got my buttons, though.
Shopping is my favorite! Wait. Oh no! Where's my phone? Maybe it's in one of my bags? No! I must have lost it! Wait. I bet it's in here! Man, where could it be? Phone! Where did you go? Wait. I had it in my car with me. Shopping with you was fun, Julie. Oh. Bye, I guess. I left him in the car! Hey, a comb! I can make my hair look nice. Wow. Hair is pretty cool. Yeah! Time for some music! Oh! Kylie is texting! Oh no! Ugh! So much vibration! Wow. She sent a ton of messages. Oh no, oh no! Kylie is getting worried! I don't like being in the car anymore. I wish someone could come and save me. Phone! Phone! Oh, thank goodness! I'm so sorry. Let me get you out of here. Phew. I'm so glad I found you. Phone? Phone? Are you okay? The charging cord! Now I've gotta find some power. Oh! An apple! That could work! Come on, phone. Come back to me! Oh! Hi, Julie! I'm so sorry, phone. You just keep charging. Alright! Today is the day! Phone, I need your help. Can you send out my invites, please? Great! Thanks! Off you go! Hi! I have a message for you. Here it is. Bye! Phew. Here's the next one. Hi! Hello? What's going on? Here's a message for you. Hi, hi, hi! You. Message. You. Hi. Message. You. Hi.
I got it. Thanks. Bye now.
Hi, you. Misahi.
I'm sorry, what? Oh! A party tonight! Excellent!
Wow, you're weird. Please leave. Now.
Bye. Hi. Bye.
Phone! You're back! Oh. You look rough. You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. Just tired.
Haha. That was a little weird. Oh, you should come in here. Hi. My phone is having issues. Can you help? Oh sure. I can fix them right up. Oh, thank goodness. Come on, phone. This pretty lady is gonna help you. Wow. Yeah, you're in a bit of a pickle. Yikes. Okay, let's get to work. Don't worry. This shouldn't hurt. Phew. You've got a lot going on. Alright, how are you feeling now?
I feel good. Good.
Oh my goodness! That's a lot. Too much for me. How are you feeling, phone? Yikes. Still rough, huh? Alright, I need to make a decision. Yes! This is perfect! Woo! That was super fast! Time to get this opened up.
Who that? Hi, Julie. Whoa, who's that over there? I'm Julie's phone! I see why you needed a new phone like me.
I'm so glad you're here, new phone. Perfect. I'm looking good. I wonder if I need a little extra something. Nah, I'm fine.
Hey, you know you want the glitter. Come on, just a little sparkle.
Okay, a bit couldn't hurt. Ooh, it's so pretty. Just a little dab.
Okay, here we go.
There! The perfect amount.
Yeah! Glitter! You know you want more! Come on! It will really catch people's attention!
Oh, I don't know. More? Really?
Yes! Even more glitter!
It's getting everywhere, though. Okay. Just a little more.
Oh yeah! Starting to look good!
It's just so much!
Now we're talking! Ha ha! Glitter!
How did things get away from me?
You're glitter queen now!
I guess I'm just going all in. Oh my. Oh no. This is not right.
Yes! You're correct! You need more! That's right! Show the world how you sparkle!
Oh gosh. I just don't know. Okay. I'll trust you.
Yes! Own it, glitter queen! Hey there. Whoa. You've got a lot of glitter on you. It looks nice. Huh? What's that on my face? It's glitter! How do I get it off?
I'm sorry.
It's everywhere! Yay! A glitter king! Best day ever!
Oh, Glitter. You're such a rascal. Come on. Let's go to dinner.
Ow! What's that light? It's blinding! Ouch! My eyes! This is too much!
Well, at least we're having fun. If objects have personalities, life sure would be different. What object would you want to have a conversation with and why? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos just like this one.